If you had to choose, whose shoes look better, what would you choose? And, really analyze them.
I don't know. I think. Oh.
Yeah.
And what made that day so special?
It was actually the #1 rap group of all time.
Sorry, can you speak in the mic?
I had the first. Oh,
What was the gayest day of your life?
The gayest day of my life? Yeah. The day my boss fired me. You guys are gay.
What would you say the best day of your life was?
The day my first child was born,
And what made that day so special?
because that's the day I became a father.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Do you prefer men or women?
Women.
How about now?
Almost died 3 times.
Jeez, what made it so bad,
I don't know. It just hit me harder than a lot of other people.
Yeah?
Yeah.